we are flying internationally. Evie दिख नहीं रही है is because Evie's not with us. कैसे पूरा plan हिल चुका है.
Yeah.
There was a problem in left phalange.
Isn't this what you dreamt about?
Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of More Mao.
Today's episode is gonna be about our honeymoon trip.
It's not honeymoon trip, it's also a family trip. So as you guys can see, we have already reached the destination and this is like from the future us. But let's backtrack and see the entire trip because it's been quite eventful. So without further ado, let's get started. Jump, come on. Yes, good job. Yes, good job, mamas. Yes. Done? Good job. No.
Evie, that's not your playground.
You want humma? You want humma, mamas? You want humma? Take this. Take this. Okay, stay, okay? Good job. So Evie is sitting comfortably. Yes, mamas? Good job. Are you ready? Ready?
Hey guys,
we are
finally
here.
same क्या बोलती है? We're finally at the airport and not seeing anyone else off.
Yes.
We are traveling. In the last year, we've come here so often to drop everyone and pick up everyone and all of that. And हम हमेशा सोचते थे हम कब जाएंगे next because
I think the last flight international we took was in August for our
August.
proposal.
Yeah.
And this is the
For your proposal that I did.
our proposal.
अच्छा, ठीक है.
But we are flying internationally almost after 1 year.
Yes.
And not alone. We have a chotu baby with us. She's sitting quietly over there. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि मैं बहुत खुश हूँ तो मैं हूँ because this was like my mission and my क्या बोलते हैं ये साल का
bucket list.
2025 goal था मेरा.
Yeah.
But I'm shit scared from inside. It
Hi.
was my mission to take her
It's okay.
on an international flight and make her meet our family, Didi, Raghuraj ko and everything. So yeah, I'm nervous, but I know we can do it. We are prepared. We have done everything that was possible. We have been doing this for so long.
No, not we. She has been doing the research for such a long time and इतना rigorous research है. Seeing videos, different websites and everything.
Yeah,
Not a lot of pet parents have maybe
made
even put
videos.
up accurate videos. They have definitely put up
पर
and it has
इंडियन
helped us a
मैंने
lot.
देखे ही नहीं है
Yeah.
काफी क्योंकि इंडिया से कहीं जाने का प्रोसीजर क्या है ये
Because
मैंने नहीं देखा है.
we had to learn it along with
The way.
हाँ, yeah, we had to learn it along.
Don't
the
worry,
way.
I'm gonna make a video if
Yes,
you are a
dedicated
pet parent
video
and you
proper.
want to know, oh my god, how are you traveling with your dog? Because I know कि कितना पेन से आप जाते हो, like whenever they go for trips, your heart is always at home with your pet. But yeah, I'm gonna make that video. But right now we need to go to the check-in counter and start
right now also it's gonna be all fingers crossed.
Yeah.
Once we land there, एकदम शाबाश इंडिया तेरा
my
हो जाएगा.
anxiety is just
Yes.
gonna begin the moment I sit in the flight because yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna talk later. Let me just go to the
Bye-bye.
check-in counter, check everything in, and then
Bye-bye.
we'll meet you. Bye. बस. Can't drink more water, बाबू.
एंड बस दूर से लोग आ रहे हैं एंड बाय लोग आई मीन ईवी महाराज. हाय यू.
Security done, litmus test, drug test, everything done. Now we are going and registering the pet. We are in the line of immigration. Yay! Checking in after many hours. Everything went super smoothly, however very slowly. So please come to the airport well in advance. We came almost 5 hours early to the airport. But yeah, people look at you as if you're smuggling a bomb or something, because India mein they're not used to seeing dogs at the airport. Anyways, one more tip, that if your dog is extremely friendly, or even if he or she is not, please tell people to not pet your dog, because dogs get very very excited and hyperactive, and we don't want that kind of energy. We want the dogs to be calm and tired before the flight. So that's what I told a lot of people. I know Evie's a very cute dog and like everybody wants to pet, but it was hard. But do it. It's for you and your pet. Anyways, so yeah, Evie is sitting here very very shant and calm. I don't know if you guys can see. मस्त वो बैठी है यहाँ पे. Sahil has gone to get some food. It's currently 11:15. Our flight is at 1:20. So yeah, Evie को भी थोड़ा हमने खाना दे दिया था, पानी भी दे दिया था. So it's good. The food is here. Evie खुद का खाना छोड़ के हमारा ये देखो.
एक तो हमें KFC का राइस बोल खाना था, बट
मिला ही नहीं.
नो राइस, नो बोल, ओनली चिकन इन KFC. सो हमने बाजू वाले शॉप से
फ्रॉम एशिया 7.
हाँ, एशिया 7 से. उसके बाद भी शेजवान फ्राइड राइस नहीं था. बोल रहे सर चिकन फ्राइड राइस आएगा और शेजवान बाजू में. मैंने बोला ठीक है भाई, मिक्स उसको करना नहीं है तो ठीक है.
नसीब ही खराब है आज का. नहीं, एक्चुअली नहीं है. सब कुछ बहुत स्मूथली गया.
टच विद एवरीथिंग इज वेरी स्मूथ.
वेरी स्मूथ.
वी आर द फर्स्ट एवर, मतलब हमने दोनों ने इतना ट्रैवल किया, बट वी आर द ऐसा कभी फर्स्ट टाइम हमारा चेक इन लिया गया.
क्या हमारा चेकिंग?
द बैगेज देने का. आई हैव नेवर बीन फर्स्ट एनीवेयर. दे आर नॉट ओपन द काउंटर्स, एंड आल्सो एवरीवन वाज इन अ डिफरेंट लाइन.
आल्सो बिकॉज़ वी आर प्रीमियम
इकोनॉमी तो था, इसलिए वी वर ऑब्वियसली द फर्स्ट. एंड आल्सो वी हैड अ पेट. तो हम उधर ही लाइन लगा के हम लोग 20 मिनट से वेट कर रहे थे. जब तक काउंटर नहीं खुलेगा तो only then only we'll enter.
Everything was smooth. The flight. This is the second take because हमारा mic नहीं चल रहा था. So yeah, anyways, we have got stuff on the. Wow, I'm so sleep deprived.
और
तू अब है करके yawn कर रहा है.
Oh no.
यार. Anyways, Chevy, wow. I mean Chevy. Evie has.
जोरात ना को बोलो.
She has slept. She's asleep already. Like a chotu cutu baby is near my leg, so I can keep a watch on her. We are trying to figure out क्या क्या है देखने के लिए.
Yeah,
Turns out Bollywood में when we went.
पिक्चर मूवी है.
क्या? एक ही मूवी है वो. क्रू
है. 12th फेल है.
और
फिर विकी कौशल की कौन सी आई थी? सैम बहादुर है.
Oh, I want to watch that.
हाँ.
Not watch Sam Bhagat.
I also not watched.
Anyways, but I don't think we are gonna watch anything.
But people are watching Harry Potter. वो कहाँ पे है?
अरे I'll show you इधर ही है. तो as I was saying, I am तो going to pass out for sure. It's 2 a.m. right now. 1:20 का हमारा flight था अब तक. Clearly it's delayed because it's raining cats and dogs. So that's why maybe I am gonna sleep. They have given nice cushions, nice comforter वाले कंबल, comforters basically. Yeah, we are gonna sleep, guys. I have to do my skincare. I think मैं खाना खाने के बाद skincare करूँगी.
Many unbearable hours later.
So a quick 2 minutes update is that we are going to our next flight. हम लोग अभी we're gonna rush to our next gate.
You have water. We need to give her water.
Water, na? I
Yeah,
have
it's there
water
in
in
the
my
pink
bag.
bottle. Yeah. We wait, Mamash. Sit. Yes, come on, sit. When life gives you tangerines, make a juice and drink it. So we are at La Jure. पेरिस में है तो ये तो बनता है. Sahil is gonna taste it. मैंने तो किया था जब मैं पेरिस गई थी, but
Hi, two chocolate.
okay. So
Okay.
in the 1:30 flight, I'll be having my checked-in luggage,
madam.
right?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right. Thank you so
Good.
much.
Thank you.
Boarding, M43 for your flight.
Yes,
All right.
you're
Thank you so much. Thank you.
I think हमें brush करना चाहिए. Please.
जो उसकी पड़ी है अभी.
Let's brush. And
कोई
New York
ये कि quarantine की
JFK
tension है, जो
13:30.
brushing की है.
Expected time 12:35. Let's go.
12:35 को आ रही है फ्लाइट.
12:35 PM को boarding expected है.
तो फिर अपने पास बिल्कुल भी टाइम नहीं है खाने का.
हाँ तो अभी
तो
देखते
भाग
हैं ना
फिर.
टाइम है अभी लोग भी नहीं आए. चल पहले ब्रश करना चाहिए.
तू चुप रहे बाबा तू चुप रहे हैं
2 small cabin suitcases plus 2 sack bags plus EV की bag and EV
Evie, how you doing?
is gonna slow us down. So I told Sahil to sit, take care of her. I'm gonna figure out food because we just have 20 minutes in and out before the next flight. I'm just gonna grab some croissant or something. We're gonna call it a day.
So the status update is कि I think we might have our boarding started in like maybe 15-20 minutes and Manasi has just gone to surf कि क्या क्या है खाने में. But she just came back and she rushed again कि यार यहाँ पे सब वो breads and sweets and Starbucks में भी there's no food available and we are very hungry because previous flight में भी बहुत late दिया था खाना. So I've told her जो भी तेरे को अच्छा लगे लेके आ जा. We'll at least eat थोड़ा सा and then head off to the next flight. Evie is with me. I'm on EV duty for some time because Mansi is only taking care of her.
Control, Uday.
Bas, that's it. I'm here with all the bags, the stores here. Maza aayega. And the next flight and then Evu, we're going to JFK, New York. We still look fresh, but
Yeah, sure.
after 12 hours
Our
on a
mouths don't
flight,
smell fresh, but
mine does.
कैसे कैसे लोग रहते हैं यार यहाँ पर
this is what marriage is like. You just keep saying ha to each other every time. What is romance? No romance. This is ha is our romance. ये तू गप्प बस EV तुला दिलं पाणी.
पाणी पण दिलं, जेवण पण दिलं, तुला सगळं आधी दिलं होतं.
इसका सब खाना खत्म किया है फिर भी तड़मड़ रही है. बैठ इधर. I have no idea
इसमें
what
क्या
this
है?
is. We got some Delhi chicken salad which is
बाप रे,
cold
खतरनाक smell है.
AF. Oh भाई साहब.
And a cookie and macaroons.
It's a quinoa.
Quinoa salad. How is it? Okay. उसमें क्या है वो
ये
सैलेड?
अगर गरम होता. It's chocolate. Chocolate. I think.
आज चॉकलेट.
It's croissant. Gold croissant. Gold करंजी.
कसं खाता ते लोक यार हे?
I like it.
A few minutes later.
We have landed.
थोड़े भी नहीं अब तक.
We have successfully boarded our flight.
But we have not brushed.
Can you stop?
I need my
We
hygiene.
have such a difficult
Please.
period ahead us after we land.
Okay.
Anyways, EV is very calm relatively. जो पहली वाली फ्लाइट थी उससे बिकॉज उसका सुसु बॉडी हो चुका है मस्त पई की उसने थोड़ा खाना खाया है पानी पिया है तो वो बहुत सो गई है बिकॉज आई मेड हर वॉक so she's tired and yeah we are gonna continue watching TVV.
Yeah. Klaus येतोय Klaus.
Yes, साहिल का फर्स्ट टाइम है देखना. आई थिंक आई एम वाचिंग इट फॉर द थर्ड टाइम बट या सो फार सो गुड. ये लोग ने हमको अब तक खाना नहीं दिया है. आई एम गोना टॉक अबाउट एयर फ्रांस आफ्टर सम टाइम गाइस बट या
One eternity later.
we have landed in JFK. How do you feel? It's your first time.
First time in US. I'm very excited.
Evie is sitting. Oh, you can't see her, but Evie is here. We have been traveling for 24 hours at this point. Exact 24 hours. इमिग्रेशन की लाइन बहुत बड़ी है.
A little later.
Hey guys, it's freezing outside. इतना मैंने expect नहीं किया था. We've just dropped off Evie to the person who had come from the Ark.
We'll talk about that later.
Yes, we'll talk about that later. अभी just हम बाहर आए. रघुराज दीदी and I don't know who have come to pick us up, but it's freezing. And yeah, इसने जो shawl मैंने दे दी इसको तो ओढ़ लिया because इसने jacket दिया अपना ईवी को. So she's with a shawl and currently we're freezing. We're waiting for them to come. Bobby, where are they?
I have no idea. I'm calling them.
It rained today, so it's very wet everywhere. Hello.
ठंडा लग रहा है? चलो
ना
jacket
थोड़ा.
लाए.
That's okay.
This shawl you take.
अरे I'm okay. इधर ही है गाड़ी. आ गई है गाड़ी. आ गई है. मैंने चले मगर तो
यार सारी बात तो ठंडी वास्ते में तू आ रहा है.
ले पकड़.
Welcome viewers. Welcome.
Okay, back to the present. We have landed last night, in the evening rather, and you guys must be thinking, where is Evie? Evie dikh nahi rahi hai, is because Evie's not with us. So
Not with us for now. Huh.
yeah, I mean, don't get. Oh my
Not
god,
with
no,
us,
no, no, no.
पागल.
She's not with
Yeah.
us because she is at the quarantine center. Why,
Yeah.
how, क्यों, सब मैं बताऊंगी. So let's backtrack. So हमारी flight थी 1:20 की from
Mumbai.
India
Yeah.
to Paris and then Paris to JFK. The flight 1:20 का हम 1 बजे से बैठे हुए हैं 4:45 तक, like 4:40 तक the flight did not take
Yeah,
off.
this is the first time that the flight went on the runway, that we have experienced that
Yeah.
the flight went on the runway. They were about to take off, but then announcement आया कि we are taking it back to the parking
lot,
because
yeah.
there's some leakage or whatever.
Some leak issue.
Yeah.
There was a problem in left phalange.
Thing is wrong with the left phalange.
So
तो-
they had to take it
But
back.
then everyone
to
slept
repair.
on the flight. सब लोग ने अपनी आधी नींद निकाल ली, मतलब 2-3 घंटा सब सो गए. And
Yeah.
still I think at 4:30 भी उड़ी नहीं थी.
नहीं थी.
And then they took on the runway and then we
4:45 basically
Yeah.
there was the takeoff. So you can understand how much delay there was, and Evie was completely in the back the full time, so she was also very agitated at this point because हमने 8 hours पकड़ के चले थे दोनों flights के, यहाँ से Paris 8 hours, यहाँ से फिर Paris से JFK around 8 hours
Yeah.
approx. But ये तो 12 घंटा हम flight में बैठे हैं, first ही flight में, so she was very agitated. Anyways,
And also, so sorry, full flight में we were also thinking because so the layover that we had planned was 3 hours for Paris.
Yeah.
And already 3 hours delay हो गया था.
Yeah.
The first flight. तो हमें पूरे flight में ही हमें था कि हम next flight पकड़ेंगे नहीं पकड़ेंगे, what is going to happen
anxious
and all that.
AF.
Yeah.
एंड जैसे आपने अगर मेरा प्रपोजल व्लॉग देखा है तो आपको मालूम है ये सेम चीज़ हुआ था जापान को फ्लाई करते वक्त.
Yeah.
हांगकांग हम लेट पहुंचे थे, बट कथे पैसिफिक वाले लोग इतने स्वीट थे कि वो लोग नीचे बैठे थे हमारे साथ पूरा बोर्डिंग पास लेके.
They were well equipped to plan it,
जाओ जाओ
yeah.
जाओ नेक्स्ट फ्लाइट पकड़ो.
Yeah.
एयर फ्रांस हमको मील भी नहीं दिया, हमने प्रीमियम इकोनॉमी खरीद के आई फील इकोनॉमी में बैठना चाहिए था.
Yeah.
हमको लैंडिंग के
First
1 घंटे
flight में
पहले
meal भी नहीं आया. So
ब्रेकफास्ट दिया.
we were in the flight. We were sitting in the flight for 8 plus 3 hours.
12 आवर्स.
Correct? हाँ, मतलब almost 12
Almost
hours
12
or
hours.
11 hours, and हमें 10th hour पे meal दिया गया.
Yeah.
So that is also like that was very shitty.
Yeah,
to
it
be
was.
honest,
Yeah, exactly. But anyways, nonetheless, we landed in Paris and we clearly missed our flight. The thing is, you must have
हम
seen the
भागे
clips.
थे. Yeah.
We were still trying our best to catch the 10:45 flight. हम 10:50 को sharp पहुंचे and we literally saw the flight standing on the runway and taking off in front of us. हमने बहुत भागा वगैरह कुछ भी नहीं हो पाया, and then security वगैरह करके भी कुछ भी फायदा नहीं हुआ, and we had to go back and wait for the next flight. Yeah, coming back, we were in Paris. They put us on a 4:30 p.m. flight,
Yeah.
which was too late. So apparently there is a procedure that you are supposed to follow when you come at JFK, in US rather, with your dog. You're supposed to declare your dog to the customs and they take them to a quarantine center, check them, give a rabies shot and then release the pet, okay? This entire process takes around 8 hours. So if I would have landed at the set time, मुझे मेरे पास रात को 9-10 बजे तक ईवी होती मेरे हाथ
मतलब
में.
same day ही हो जाती.
सेम डे हो जाता,
we would have
क्वारंटाइन
tried
करने
and
का जरूरत ही
yeah.
नहीं पड़ता, बट बिकॉज ऑफ द एयर फ्रांसिस
Yeah.
डिले हो गया, and इसकी वजह से पूरा प्लान हिल चुका
So
है.
basically,
And-
one night Evie had to stay at the
Quarantine.
center. Yeah.
Yeah, I had to
Wow,
give up
these-
last night. I know it's too cold, but we had to give her to the quarantine center. They have charged us extra. वो सब पैसे is not the problem. The thing is, I have never left Evie like that, and
With
मैं
someone
इसलिए
else,
नहीं-
like
इसलिए
with an
मैंने-
unknown person, and with so many dogs around.
Yeah.
So we had multiple questions to the person who had come there also.
Yeah.
कि किसके साथ रहेगी, आजू बाजू कितने dogs होंगे.
But they were nice. It's
Yeah.
called the ARC JFK. That is the pet oasis of JFK, like New York. And सब dogs वहीं quarantine होते हैं. जैसे अपने इंडिया का भी नवी मुंबई में quarantine center है, वैसे इनका ऐसा है JFK के पास में. And I am going to make a complete sit down video because
Yeah.
it's a complicated process to get your dog to the US. And I have finally done it.
Yeah.
And I
You
was-
have. We're gonna meet her
Yeah.
in few hours. We're just
few hours.
leaving.
We are leaving for the quarantine
to
center
pick her
actually,
up,
which is
yeah.
like around 2.5 hours from where Didi stays.
Yeah.
So we have to go there. So I thought I'll just talk to you guys, tell you, because you must be thinking कि अचानक ईवी कहाँ है, मतलब सब मिले कल एयरपोर्ट पे हमने greet किया, but
Yeah.
Ivy was not there. So that I'll tell you guys this is the scene. But they were nice enough. They have sent us videos what she's doing, what मतलब she's ने खाना खाया जो भी है. I am so excited to see her. But anyways,
We've also given Mansi's jacket, her
Yeah.
scrunchie, even her sock, uske toys and everything to
Yeah.
her, so that
Her food.
at least her food, so at least for the 12-15 hours she's there, she does not miss us.
Yeah,
That's
and
the idea.
I am, as I said, I'm gonna make like a main channel video where I talk about the entire process, because there is not a single video how to travel with your dog internationally or domestically. There were so many people on the airport who were continuously asking, how are you flying with the dog? Like this is, मतलब
They
लोगों
don't
को
know, they're
मालूम
not
ही नहीं है
aware of
कैसे करते हैं.
how's the process. So
Yeah,
that
because
is why it's
generally
good.
people know the cargo process, because generally it's taken care of the cargo agencies, but with pet in your cabin, like pet C जो form होता है, वो कैसे क्या होता है, procedure is a very tedious long procedure. I'm gonna make like a main channel video, so it will be helpful for
But you
all
have
the
done
pet
it.
parents.
Shabbas.
Yeah, I know, my dad was also like, it's an achievement.
Yeah, it definitely is, and it's purely on her research, everything that she has done.
Yeah.
ना मेहनत किया है. Last time भी आना था. Like
I
last
feel
time also
my,
you had planned.
yeah, वो भी I will tell you guys.
Yeah.
This has been going on for 1.5 years that I
Yeah,
have
but
been
then
trying.
this time she was
This-
successful.
Yeah, actually, you
So
know
it's
when
good.
I'll be successful in
When
this
she gets-
garden itself,
Haan,
when
when
she's
she
running
comes
around.
here. So today
that time
evening.
it will hit me that
Today
I've
evening.
made it.
Yeah.
Yes, you know.
We'll be back in 6 hours again
Yeah.
to shoot the same
So,
video.
anyways, whatever happened. Let's not dwell in it. We are going to the quarantine center. Pick Evie up. Let's go. I'm gonna take you guys. I can't wait to see her. Guys, while we were talking, we have gotten an email. I'm gonna show it to
Yeah.
you. That good afternoon. We are happy to inform that Evie has been cleared by the CDC and is ready for Didi, we have got the email.
Hello, approval आला. Ibiza.
She's
The
ready for
mail आ
pickup.
गया.
She's ready for pickup. She's cleared by CDC. We can go pick her up.
वो नहीं पता, वो तो अभी जाके वो she is ready for collection.
She's ready for pickup. Where's Baba? Evie is cleared, Baba.
Good.
She's cleared.
Oh.
Bagu. She's not here. I just got the mail.
A little later.
We have reached the Ark. Wow, look at the sky. It looks beautiful. That is the facility. We have the full squad. Where are the other members of the squad? मिलते हैं.
Okay, so we had gone to a different arc का front desk. वहाँ से हमें पता चला है कि we have to walk further ahead and कोई glass door के बाद हमें मिलेगा वहाँ पे. So we were walking towards that area. Guys, यही है क्या glass door? नहीं, ये तो do not enter है. But ये तो पूरा cargo का आ गया. Wait, now let's see. We have found it. This is the Ark Pet Oasis. I'll just show you guys. यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ भी है कि dedicated to the welfare of in transit pets. Let's go. So we have completed all the formalities and we've also done the payment. We're gonna wait for Evie to come. Super excited. She's there. Hi. She's shaking.
I missed you, Mama. Yes.
Thank you.
Did you miss me? Did you miss me? I know. I'm sorry. I know. You're such a good girl, you Mama. She's such a good girl, you. Alle moju babu hai na tu. I know. अरे बाप रे, she's scratching me.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
एवढी भुकी लागली, एवढी भुकी लागी. हा, एवढी भुकी लागी, देते मी, थांबा. अगं थांब, ये ते मोठं.
भाई खींच के ले रही हो.
खींच के ले भाभी. What is this?
इवलू ना थोडी भूका रखा था तेरे को.
एवढं भुकी ठेवलेलं. झालं फिनिश. तर बळ उलटी येणार गाडीमध्ये.
बस आता घरी जाऊन.
Finish, Mama.
Let's go.
Can you jump in this car? Can you jump?
Come on, jump. Come
Come
on.
on, jump. Come on.
Yes, good girl.
शनी बाबी शनी. माझी गोनू आहे ना. This is exposed हो गया ये तो.
ये फेवरेट सॉन्ग है मेरा.
Yeah, I made that song. Manji कितनी ना.
काजल भी
माझा खुशू वो कौन है?
Evie, where are you going?
आणले.
आणले. Leash लाव ना, leash लाव.
Evie, come on, let's go. Evo, come. Yes, good job.
पटकन हा आहे ना ससा इथेच आहे.
Shirikam. Isn't this what you dreamt about? US में भी भाग रही है. घास खा रही है.
Later.
After looking at all of these clips, all I want to say is this is what dreams are made of. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. And I'll see you next time. Until then, stay positive and stay happy.
Chop